Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with only one earphone? And yes, you just remove one earbud from the charging case, then close the case and let's open the settings. As you can see, we still have connection, so you can use only this one. But you can't pair your left and right earbuds to two devices. I mean, if you pair the left to one earphone and the right one to the second phone. This earbud support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your phones to your earbuds, but not, as I said, previous. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!